When you will create any 3D sketch, this is very important to know how to apply geometric constants as well as dimensional constants. So in this lesson, I will discuss about this topic. So create a new 3D sketch. Now create a line from this center. Then go to top. Then I will change this plane to YZ. This time when I will go to right, you can see the dotted line. This dotted line means this is completely horizontal with this XY plane. That's why this inferencing line is showing. I will change this environment so that you can see better. Now you can see it. This is that inferencing line is showing. This inferencing line means this is completely horizontal direction and this is completely vertical. So I want to make it horizontal in XY plane. So I will go to this side, and before I click this point, there is one icon is showing just next to the cursor with yellow. That means as soon as I create this line, it will create a new geometric constant which is called along Z axis. So first I will create it and I will escape it. Click this and you will see this is that geometric constant is showing. This is that one along Z. If you want to keep this line always with along Z, this is that geometric constant you have to put. Because this is in 3D, you cannot put horizontal or vertical relation only. You have to put relation this way, along X, along Y, along Z. So I will create few more line here. Select this point. From here I will change this plane again. On ZX plane, create another line which is along with X. Then this side again. Then I will go to bottom, so I have to change this plane again by tab key. Then I will go to right. I am done, so I will press escape key to close this line tool. Now if I say from 4 different view, you will see how this looks like. This is isometric, I mean trimetric. Then top view, front view, right view, all are completely different because this is in 3D environment. So I will go to isometric view again with one view. Now I will put few geometric relation. Select these two line and then I can put this collinear because these two line has same geometric relation which is along X. So select these two and make it collinear. Then I will put few dimension here. For this put 80, then for this 100, then for this dimension put 100. Looks like this is almost fixed except this point. I will select from this point to this point and put 300. Now 3D sketch is completely fully defined. So this is how you have to fully define a 3D sketch. Now I will put few radius. If you want, you can also put radius on every corner, which is possible in 3D. Then press OK. I am done. I will close it. Now I will make a profile, which will be a circular profile. I am done, so close it, then activate sweep tool, then press OK. So this kind of complex shape you can make by using 3D sketch. But you have to keep in mind, if you want, you can make this sketch by using 2D sketch. Let's say you want to make this sketch in 2D. So you have to create, let me suppress this sweep. Let's say you want to create this sketch in 2D. So first you have to create this line and this line, then this line and this line in one plane. Then on another plane you have to create these 3 lines. Then you will get exact same result. But if you do these 2 sketches inside 3D, which I did here, this will be very easier for you to change later because you are doing everything from one place.